Hello guys, we have a very nice view here to North Cap, and then zero visibility because of the fogs. And concentrate si Mr. ko, iking dagat. Naka-rest naman kami na maayos. Ayan, wow, amazing guys, amazing. I wish you all reach this area. Napakaganda. Napakaganda. Wala akong makita dahil zero visibility. Snow nga talaga siya. Now it's confirmed. Those na nakikita namin, those are snow.